Welcome to Pinoy Kids channel, where we learn and play. It's Tuggy the truck, and wow, look at those muddy wheels. Oink, oink. Real pigs love mud just like our friend Tumbles. It helps them cool off and keeps their skin healthy. Pigs are so smart and love to play. Oink, oink. Oink, oink. Here's Tumbles playing in the mud. Pigs love to roll and wallow. It helps them stay cool and comfy. Oink, oink. Here's Ziggy. Ziggy's stripes look so cool. Real zebras love open trails and lots of grass. Perfect for trotting around really fast.
Moo, moo. Muna the cow is enjoying the quiet grass. She always watches out for her friends, even in the great outdoors. Moo, moo.
Oink, oink. Back to our farm friends. First up, say hello to Tumbles the pig. Tumbles loves exploring, making friends, and sometimes getting a little muddy. But don't worry, this playful pig is always up for an adventure. Can you say oink oink like a pig? Oink oink.
Next, here's our kind friend, Muna the cow. What sound does a cow make? Moo, moo. Muna loves to eat grass and make delicious milk. Muna is always looking out for her friends, ready to cheer them on.
And look who's trotting in. It's Ziggy the Zebra. Ziggy loves to run fast and is always up for an adventure. And last but not least, here's the super strong Snapster. Snapster has big muscles and is always ready to help. Oink, oink. It looks like Tumbles the pig wandered a little too far and got stuck in the mud. Tumbles is stuck. Tries to call for help. Nay! Tumbles needs help. But uh-oh, the mud was thicker than she thought.
Moo. From the clean ground, Muna the cow sees her friends in trouble. Moo, moo. They need help. Moo. Who can rescue them from that muddy mess? Moo, moo.
Here comes Tuggy the truck. With a rumble and a roll, Tuggy charges onto the scene. Chuggy heard the calls for help and is ready for a messy mission. And Tuggy has a super strong helper, Snapster the gorilla. He swings in, flexes his mighty muscles, and joins Tuggy for the muddy rescue mission. Tuggy rumbles carefully toward the muddy mess. With a confident thump, Snapster the gorilla hops down from the truck. Tuggy lowers its dump bed like a ramp, and brave little Tumbles climbs right on. Gotcha! Tuggy lifts the bed. Oink, oink. Tumbles splashes in the tub. Scrub, scrub. All clean, Tumbles joins her family. Great job! Snapster hops back onto Tuggy, ready to rescue again. With a zoom and a rumble, Tuggy drives straight to the muddy mess. Tuggy lowers the dump bed again. Ziggy pauses, takes a deep breath, then steps forward, brave and determined. Splash, splash, into the tub goes Ziggy, scrubbed clean from hooves to tail. Those stripes shine bright and bold. Tuggy rolls back to the farm, carrying Ziggy safe and sound. Tuggy arrives at the farm, mission complete. Yep, yep, yep.
Moo. You did it, Tuggy. What an amazing muddy rescue. Moo.
What an amazing adventure with Tuggy and all our friends. If you love Tuggy's Muddy Rescue, Make sure to subscribe for more exciting stories. And give us a big thumbs up if you love messy fun. See you later.